Hey guys, Katie Leverett here with Hooray, and I'm so excited to tell you about my new ebook that's available on Amazon right now for just $2.99. It is all about Easter brunch. You guys are going to love it. In it, you get the party stats, so you'll learn about what kind of party it is, how big, how much food you need, that sort of thing. Also, I've written up several different invitation options, one for an Easter egg hunt, one for just a regular brunch, and then a religious invite as well. We have products that I just love that are available on Amazon that can just take your Easter decor over the top, as well as a printable food and drink menu, and also serving instructions, helpful hints, and printables. These are recipe printables. So all the recipes that are in this book, at the very end, you're going to have a printable recipe card that you can download and print off and keep for yourself. So again, go out, check out this book. It's called Hooray Presents Easter Brunch by me, Katie Leverett. I think you're going to love it, and it is just $2.99. So don't miss out on this special deal and make your Easter brunch the best Easter brunch possible. Thanks, guys.